What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another best of. This is the top 5 most durable cases that you can get for your iPad Pro 11. Let's check them out. So these cases are not going to go in any specific order. We're just going to be looking at 5 of the most durable cases that I have right now for the iPad Pro 11. First one being this one by Logitech. This is the Logitech SLIM-FOLIO keyboard case. Now, so the reason I'm saying this is one of the most durable that you can get is because you actually have this hard bottom where your keyboard is going to be housed, and then you actually get another rubberized shell or rubberized TPU up top. Now, I'm not so much worried about functionality, which this functions well. I have to go ahead and put that out there. This actually functions really well, but we're not focusing so much on the functionality right now, rather than the ability to protect this $1,000 device. So, keyboard, SLIM-FOLIO, whatever you want to call it, it's by Logitech. It is extremely durable. So this actually has a magnetic clasp on it. Apple Pencil can go right out there. It is protected on this case. Let's look at this. It's going to sit up there nice and neat. You're going to let your keyboard out. You're not going to have any issues. This folds back and it actually sticks to the back of that case, so you don't have to worry about any of that flapping around back there. You get nice, protective, functional, and convenient. It's the Logitech SLIM-FOLIO keyboard, one of the most durable cases you can get for the iPad Pro 11. The very first case that I got for my iPad Pro 11 right here, Otterbox Symmetry Series 360. This has been one of the most durable cases that I have had over the times. I've done several reviews on this, several comparisons, and hardly any other cases stack up to this one. This was one of my favorites for a long time until another certain case came along, but it's still a really great case. Really convenient, nice hard clear backing, magnetic clasp. You can actually store your pencil out here. This is basically a go-to. This is a mainstay. This is why this is still here with me. Now, I don't really use this on an everyday basis anymore because I'm normally carrying a keyboard now, but this is a great durable case. Hard rubberized edges, TPU, everything matches up. Everything looks good with this case. You got tons of functionality, tons of features. Only issue with this one is there is no way to keep that flap in the back from flapping around. So you got tons of angles you can use. You got multiple orientations. You got pencil coverage. You got auto sleep weight. But this is definitely a durable case. Like I said, hard rubberized edging, hard backing. Everything looks good with the Otterbox Symmetry 360 series. That's why this is one of the most durable cases you can get for the iPad Pro 11. One of my favorite cases, one of my favorite case lineups, the Zugu Muse. Now, I will say that this is a premium case, guys. This case is gonna run you a good 50, 60 bucks, but this case is well worth it. Now, multiple stand orientations, hard leather front, hard TPU in the back, hard rubberized edges. What more can you say? Magnetic case. As far as magnetic cases go, this is probably one of the best, if not the best. I probably have not ran into a magnetic case that is better than the Zugu Muse. Premium all the way around. Really strong magnet, different orientations, actually 8 separate orientations that you have right there. Pencils carried right there magnetically, charges. Pencil can also be carried back here. Like I said, hard rubberized edges, has a hard front, has a hard back. Magnetic flap, auto sleep weight, soft front on the inside, so you're not gonna damage your screen. What more can we say? Great case by a great company. One of the most durable cases that you can get for your iPad Pro in 2019, the Zugu Muse. So if you're looking for durability that is not going to break the bank or hurt your wallet, I want you guys to check this one out. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro by SUPCASE. Now, normally it comes with a screen on the inside. I opted to take the actual screen out of mine because I just didn't like the screen. Now, I will tell you, if you take that screen out, you actually void your warranty. I have videos on how to do that. I'll link one below so you can check that out for yourself. But if you do take that screen out, you void your warranty. Now, cool thing about these cases by SUPCASE is that they're going to clamp right onto the front of your tablet. Very simple, very easy. Then you're going to stand this up in your hand. You're going to drop it down in there, start at the bottom, and you're going to work your way all the way around. Make sure everything is nice and closed in, and you get a shell of a case, guys. There you go. Check that out. You got a nice hard TPU all the way around. Pencil goes down in here. So your pencil is going to still charge on the go. Remember, we don't have that screen in here. That is a plastic screen that comes with this. But then on the back, flip it over, and boom. You get that iconic kickstand. So you can turn this and do whatever you need to do with it. Now, that's really, you're going to be able to get this orientation as well. You flip your kickstand over. You may be able to type on that. Not so much in portrait mode because it's a little heavy on the side, but you do get this orientation, and you get that little higher orientation for watching movies and different entertainment purposes. So this is the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPad Pro 11. Pencil charging, safety, security, hard edges, hard backing, raised up so your screen is not going, your screen is actually protected because this is actually raised up around here. So just like the phone cases that they make that are extremely protective and not going to hurt your screen, these cases for the iPad Pro are extremely durable. They're not going to hurt that expensive screen. One of the most durable cases you can get in 2019 for the iPad Pro 11. Last but not least, one of the latest cases that I just got in for the iPad Pro 11. This is Portfolio Case. It's a hard shell case for the iPad Pro. Has double zippers on it. Has a lanyard that hangs here on the side. Hard outer shell. Get your logo right there in the front so everybody knows you're rocking with TomToc. Check this out. On the inside here, you got pockets over here, microfiber lining back here, microfiber lining, and you can actually store things in here. I've actually done a full review. I'm going to link that below so you can check this out. And then back here, microfiber lining on the inside. iPad sits here. Screen is not going to get damaged. You put it in there. It'll actually fit with the Apple keyboard case on there. If I have the keyboard case handy. Keyboard case. I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in just to show you guys that that will fit. Put that in. Keyboard case goes in. Secure. Boom. There you go. So 2 for the price of 1. You get double protection from the hard shell case as well as the keyboard folio case around the iPad itself. So this is the TomToc Hard Portfolio for iPad Pro 11. Another durable case that you can get in 2019 for that expensive iPad. So there we go, guys. This is TomToc, Zugu Muse, SUPCASE, Otterbox Symmetry 360 series, and the Logitech SLIM-FOLIO keyboard case. All of these are extremely durable, and they're going to protect the iPad Pro 11. So I'll drop links below to all these devices, and I've done reviews on these separately, so I'll leave those in the description below as well. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Hopefully you can get a chance to check them out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.